Hindi man tayo ang pumili na magtagpo sa landas ng buhay.
Cord strand. It's a triune covenant with God. So it's not just between you and your husband.
Ngunit sa isang misyon, tayo pinag-isa. Magkakaiba ang pinagmulan, magkakalayo ang mga lugar na tinatahanan, ngunit iisa ang tibok ng ating puso. Iyon ay pahayag ang mabuting balita sa mundo.
Suitcase rattling in the backseat, crumbs on the map, kids asleep, mountain curve and a tin cup clinking. Someone tells a joke, we're always in, thinking this is it right here. Anywhere we go, as long as we're together. Mama Donna's cooking, tastes like forever. Steam from the pot, clouds on the river, mountains in the glass, love in the sliver. Anywhere we go, as long as we're together, that's home.
That way.
Where?
That's home.
Emma, you don't want to vlog? Huh? Yes. By the way, ano nga pala, kasama natin ngayon ang Robin Padilla ng Pakistan. Yes. Eto, galing tong Pakistan. Robin Padilla daw tawag sa kanya dun eh. Tapos sino ba to? Si Rostom Padilla to. Bibigat ng hari. Oo nga, mga action star nga pala yung kasama natin. Nandito rin yung pambansang kontrabida si Bimbol Rocco. Yeah. Boss. Bossing. Boss. Patanggal nga na ikaw ata yung bossing eh. Anyway, andito tayo sa isang falls na pinuntahan natin dati pa. Kasama natin ang pamilya rin sila. Pamilya na touring namin sa kanila. Actually, kagabi pa kami magkakasama. Maraming nangyari, marami kaming ginawa. But enjoy lahat. Eto, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano mga pinagagawa namin kagabi. Ang saya, may proposal and all. So, panoorin nyo na lang. Alright? Nay.
Kaldero lang sa'yo.
Na-introduce mo na si Robin Padilla.
Ay,
Oh, si Ding Dong tsaka si Marian, wala pa.
Ay, grabe. Yan yung ano. Yan yung hot seat kagabi.
Ito. Naging Ding Dong at Marian to sila kagabi. Oh.
Oh, grabe.
Grabe. Ano yan?
Nabiktim ko, Ged. May elman ko.
Nasaan ba siya? 1-1 na.
1-1. Yes, brother.
Dito pwede uling.
So, saan pwedeng mag-ano?
Dito ang uling, pero butane pwede din.
Okay. Di, paano natin
Paano
lulutuin
lang
yung...
ang
So,
dito daw lulutuin.
doon na lang tayo magsugba-sugba. Asan yung boys? Ayun! Dito pala! Boss, ano pong ginagawa niyo, bossing? Ano pong ginagawa? Yes lang po, at kami po ay mag-iihaw lang. Si Rostom Padilla at si Ding Dong.
Sisiga lang kami.
Oo.
Sisiga.
Ding Dong, okay lang po, Ding Dong. Asan po si Marian, Ding Dong?
Lalabas siguro.
Naglalaba. Sumbong kita mamaya, ewan ko na lang kung hindi ka makapaglaba pag uwi. Ano to bro? Libre?
Kuha ka lang.
Kasama sa entrance ata.
Sagot ko na to.
Sagot na.
Isa. Bataang to.
Para maaliw tayo, habang naantay natin itong maluto, kausapin na lang natin si Senator. What can you say about yourself, Senator?
You know, in the Philippines, thank you.
Bro, kailangan pa ba ng butane?
Hindi na.
Hindi na daw.
Kailangan namin ng sikat ng araw dito.
Grabe to.
Dito.
Guys, Emilio, introduce your friends. Naka-record na. Be careful ha.
Can this Michael guys up? Hello. Miracle! Yes, sir!
On the dashboard,
Hey,
snacks in a
Miracle.
shoebox.
Hi! Okay.
Crumbs on
Miracle,
the floor.
come! Michael, come! Miracle,
Moms
Michael!
laughing at their
Okay, guys.
shortcut.
Guys,
Never
look.
been here before.
Look.
Tents in
2,
the trunk,
1.
boots in
Good
the back.
morning! Good morning! Good morning! Our destination! Ilang!
We go all in the same footprint, side by side on the same small trail. If the river's running high, we're holding hands. If we slip or fail, we go all in the same footprint, same sky over every campfire. Home is just 4 camping chairs around one little ring of fire. Cold stream, rolled up jeans, yelling it's freezing between our screens. Dad's back heavy with too many things.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey bro! Go bro!
Wait.
Hey guys, na-miss Kayak. Hello! Tita Jan! We're just turning around. Hello, Tisa.
Hi guys, say hi. Hello. Okay.
Wait, I'll go up.
I don't know if she's okay, but I'm gonna ask her later if she's okay, cause we're in camping right now. We're doing camping with other homeschoolers. So yeah. Ay, mahulog. Wow. Pwede ba mahulog? What?
Comment kayo. Ako lang mag-drive.
Ako mag-drive.
Hindi ako mag-drive. Bantay ka.
Sorry! Sorry, Lord Jesus. Hi! Hi guys! Welcome to my guys!
Hi.
Oh, Daddy!
And nandito na ulit kami sa spot namin.
Yeah.
So, onting adventure kanina. Mabilisang adventure kanina. Ayan, may event tayo sa mga bata. Awarding sa... Ano ba to? Part ba to ng homeschool? Certificate ng? Of attendance.
Sa
Yes.
journey nila.
Sa homeschool. Homeschool journey. Yes. Andito si Mariel Rodriguez. Yan.
Didn't know where to begin.
Kids. So, bonfire muna sila. Ano tawag dyan? S'mores? S'mores ba yan? S'mores. Okay.
Mas marami.
Spoke the words my soul had prayed.
S'more lang to ngayon. S'more. Kasi nga, hindi ganun karami.
In the curve,
Emma, yes?
Can I give me?
Okay.
I could feel your holy name.
Okay, Mama. Here.
Greatest
Say hi, Mama.
Hello, Hi, guys.
Okay. Say hi, Sobel. And Ate, say hi. Say hi, Kuya Inigo. Say hi.
Every step it was you, God. It was you, God, using them to save me. All the nights I cried in silence, thought that I was all alone, but you'd already built an army hands and hearts to lead me home. Every tear became a story. Every scar a whispered sign.